Are you guys ready? Are you ready for the adventures that life is waiting to give to you? Well, fear not, you will stay cool with your drinks inside the AstroAI portable freezer. What's up guys, welcome back to Unboxing with Scott. So for today's video, we are checking out AstroAI's sweet looking portable freezer. So it's a 15-liter capacity. It's got fast cooling, energy saving, it's got environmental protection, strong heat prevention, and it's convenient and portable. And guess what we're gonna use it with? Oh, stay tuned, my friends. So guys, not to waste your time, we're just gonna show you quickly how it looks. It comes packaged, so it comes nice and protected inside this box. So we're gonna demonstrate how portable it is. So we're gonna go ahead and lift this up. It is not that heavy, so most people should have no problem lifting it up. Nice, perfect, compact size. Absolutely love it. You got your buttons on the top here. We'll show you guys everything in a moment. So guys, in the box, you get a wall outlet power supply, you get a manual, and they also give you a 12-volt outlet. Now, the 12-volt and the other one get plugged right into here. And because we got an amazing Jeep, check this out. We got a 12-volt jack in the back. All right, we plug it in. We now have power. Might be a little hard to see in the daytime, but now it says our volts. So guys, what I know it's so hard to see, you know, in the light, but what you guys would do is you have the temperature there. You can set it as economy or you can set it for max voltage. So economy, it slowly cools down. Make sure you air this out. It did have an interesting smell at first, probably right from factory. And make sure you clean it out. But yeah, you put your ice in here, you do whatever, your sandwiches, whatever you want to do. Put it inside here, close it up. Just like that, guys. I bet you can tell what we're going to be doing this summer.